everyone, this is Jane. Today, we want to share with you our two series RONGWIN mini CNC press brake. Now, in our workshop, we want to share with you why we make this kind of two kinds of beautiful design to give you an excellent experience in the easy operate to saving time and more easy for you put the machines in your workshop. Okay, now let's give me introduce one by one. This is our torsion bar structure CNC press brake. We choose the Switzerland CT8P controller to control the Y-axis for the bending angle, X-axis for the backgauge, front and after. In order to give you more easy operator feeling, we make the design with the electrical button for the backgauge up and down. And for the stop finger, we also use this electrical button to make the right and left moving. Okay, for these two machines, we make all the design such as the controller in front and is the structure design to give you a small space put in your workshop feeling. Okay. And last, we remind our customer and give you some suggestions for this torsion bar structure. If you want to make the box bending, how to do? Let's show you. Please just remember, for this small boxes bending, please do all the metal bending in the middle parts. For the long parts, for the short side, also should be in the middle parts. Okay, compared with our torsion bar structure, for this synchronized service CNC press brake, it's no need to do like that. Even we can make the two parts bending at the same time. This is a main advantage why we should choose our synchronized CNC press brake. And last, here for this synchronized controller has more functions. Look, for this controller can make the Y-axis for angle bending, X-axis for the front and after. It also can make the R-axis up and down control directly, right? Even for the more functions, we also can use our controller to control. This is the advantage of our synchronized CNC press brake. Okay, and last, we want to also share with you. Please look both side machines working speed. Of course, our synchronized type is more faster and more high accuracy, right? Okay, now we finish our two machine introduced. For our next video, we will share with you our EPS series mini electrical press brake. Okay, see you next time. Bye.